Welcome to Unlock Japan. Do you get emotional in meetings? You are looking too closely. Today's concept is Fukan translation, the bird's eye view. In Japanese business, this is the ultimate survival skill. When a meeting gets toxic, people fight on the ground. They get swallowed by the air. But great leaders don't fight. They fly a mental drone. How to use Fukan? Become a sports commentator in your head. Say, he's talking too long. Oh, I'm panicking right now. So, to survive Japan, don't fight on the ground. Fly your drone.